25. Find the missing dimension of the figure shown to the right and round to the nearest tenth. Now, this is area. We have an area and we have one of the side's lengths, and we're asked to find the other side's length. So we're looking for some kind of geometric formula that relates all of those dimensions together. So we do have an area formula that says area is equal to 1/2 base times height. We know that area is equal to 112. We know the base is equal to 16, but what we don't know is the height. So we just plug it into the formula, which gives us 112 is equal to 1/2 base being 16, and the height, which we don't know. So we have 112 is equal to 1/2 of 16, which is 8h. Now, to find h, I'm going to undo the multiplication of h by 8 by dividing by 8, and whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. 112 divided by 8 is 14. All right, find the missing dimension of the figure shown to the right. This is 26. Now we need some kind of relation between two different sides and the hypotenuse. And the relationship we do know between those, the geometric formula, is the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we know in this case, we say a is equal to 6.625, b is equal to 6.625, and therefore we try to find c. So first I'm going to plug everything in. 6.625 squared plus 6.625 squared is equal to c squared. C is right here, right? That's c. So c is equal to, I don't know. So So 6.625 squared is 43.890625, and the other one's the same, so it's going to be another 43.890625, and that gives me c squared. And 43.890625 plus 43.890625 is equal to 87.78125 is equal to c squared. And finally, to undo the square root, we have to take the squaring, we have to take the square root of each side, which gives me c is equal to approximately 9.369164851. And they didn't give us any information on where to round this to. But the problems on my math, I will tell you what to round that to. Find the missing dimension of the figure shown to the right, round to the nearest thousandths. All right, so we have, this is the hypotenuse. Again, hypotenuses are opposite the right angle symbol. We could label one of our legs A, but the problem here is we just don't know what the other leg is, right? So what we are going to use to relate all of those different things is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, Pythagorean Theorem. We substitute in everything we know. So a squared is going to be 0.483 squared plus b squared, we don't know what that is, so we just leave it b squared, plus c squared, c being 0.655. And then 0.483 squared is 0.233289 plus b squared plus 0.655 squared, which is 0.429025. And then finally, I want to get b squared by itself, so I have to undo this addition or get rid of that positive 0.233289. And whatever I do to one side, I want to do the other, so I subtract it from both sides. So minus 0.223329, which leaves me b squared is equal to 0.195736. Now I want to get the square root of b squared to just get b, so I take the square root, and whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. And that leaves me b is equal to 0.442421.